Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I want to review some sounds of letters like forming letters like SH, and that sound of SH is sh. The sound of CH, ch. WH is w. PH is f, and TH is th. So let's try to form some words beginning with SH. The word show, show. We can also make the word shut, shout, ship, ship, and the word share. Show, shut, out, shout, ship, ship, and the word share. Now, within this word share, if I cover it, what word do we have? R. If I cover the S in the word ship, I have hip. And in the word shout, if I cover SH, I have the word out. Okay? Show. Also, if I cover the S here, I have hut. If I cover the S here, I have the word how. So the word is show, shut, shout, ship, share. Now let's form some words with CH for ch. Cheese, cheese, chair, chair, chin, chin. We can form the word chop, chop. Also chores, these are just starting example words of CH. Chores, cheese, chair, chin, chop. Now let's see if we can make other words within these words. If I cover the C, we have hop. If I cover the CH, I have air. If I cover the CHOORS, we have us. Let's review the words again. Chores, ch, sound ch, chores. Ease, cheese. Air, chair. In, chin. Up, chop. Chores, cheese, chair, chin, chop. And these are your words for the sound for CH. There's so much more words, but these are just examples. And let's do the 5, what I call the 5 W's. And the 5 W's are what, when, my apologies, the 4 W's. What, when, where, and why. Why. We have the word at, n, air, I. See, now here that Y sounds like an I, but the word is why. Here we have where. If I cover the WH, my apologies, if I cover the W, that will form the word here. Here. When, sound w, n. If I cover the W, it forms the word hen. Hen. And what? What? This is your question word. What? If I cover the W, it forms the word hat. Not only does it form the word hat, if I cover WH, it would form the word at. At. When you put it together, WH, at, at, n, air, I, why. 4 W's. What, when, where, why. Now, this one's a little tricky, especially when you're just starting to form words in kindergarten and first grade. That PH sound sounds like an F. F. And here are some examples, like the word phonics, phonics, and the word phone, also the word photo, phase, phase. So the words are phonics, sound PH as an F, phonics, phone, photo, phase, phase. And the next one is TH. That's like putting your teeth together and pressing on your tongue to get that TH sound of th, th. Your tongue pushes forward, your teeth push down, th, th. So some words forming TH would be the number 3, THREE, 3, the, THE, there, THERE, there. The other form of there, THERE, E-I-R. And another example word, throw. Throw. E, the, air, there, throw. So these are the example words for TH. Now if I cover that T on the, I have he. If I cover that T in the word there, I have here. If I cover that T on there, I have air. If I cover that TH in throw, I have the word row. So this is how we can try to form words. Like in this word, the full word is throw. And then we can eliminate these two letters and we have the word row. Now, here are some tricky words. For example, like SH can also sound like CH. And an example word for that would be brochure. Brochure. Here, that SH sound is on the CH. So instead of here, it sounds like bro, or instead of saying brochure. Bro, SH sound instead of ch. So the word is brochure, not brochure. That's one example. Another word example would be parachute, where CH sounds like SH. Parachute. It's not parachute, it's parachute. These are two examples. As you learn how to form words and learn how to know your sounds, you'll be able to distinguish the difference between words that have sh, sh, like the word show, and this word, brochure, which sounds like SH here, but it's actually written with ch, CH. Okay? Here's another tricky one, CH sounding like a K. An example word would be the word echo. Echo sounds like it should be spelled EKO, but it's not. It's spelled ECHO. It's not echo. The word is actually echo, sounding that CH sounds like a K. Echo. Another example word I would like to add here is anchor. Once again, that CH letter here has the sound of K. Anchor. Echo, anchor. Written with the CH, it has the sound of K. And another tricky group that I have is for the SH. Oh, my apologies now. Another example of pH within a word, as opposed to it being on the outside like phonics, have the word sphere, where the pH is in the middle of the word. Sphere, still with the same exact sound as F. And another example word is physics. Physics. Phonics, sound of F. Sphere. Sphere, sound of F. Physics, sound of F here. Take your time, students. It'll take a little bit of time, but practice makes perfect. Please review the video so you can understand the sounds of SH, CH, WH, PH, TH. Sh, sh, ch, w, th. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate you watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please follow me for more educational videos. Thank you. Have a good one.